We need to prove that log of a plus b over 3, that's equals to half times log of a plus log of b. Given that a squared plus b squared equals to 7ab. Now we'll start with what's given to us. We have a squared plus b squared, that's equals to 7 times ab. Although we'll add 2ab to both sides, that will be 7ab plus 2ab. That's done, so that on the left hand side we have an identity a plus b squared, which will be equals to 9 times ab. Now dividing both sides by 9, we have a plus b whole squared divided by 9 equals to a times b, or simply a plus b divided by 3 whole squared. This will be equals to ab. So let's relabel this as equation number 1. Now what we'll do, we'll take equation number 1 and apply the logarithm on both sides. That will give us log of a plus b over 3 whole squared. That is equals to log of a times b. Now here we'll apply a property of logarithm. That means if we have a times log of b, that's equals to log of b raised to the power of a. And doing so, our term on the left hand side becomes 2 times log of a plus b divided by 3 equals to log of a times b. So here log of a times b, this can be also expanded using another property of logarithm. The log of a times b is simply log of a plus log of b. So that means we get log of a plus log of b on the right hand side. Now we'll divide both sides with a 2 to get rid of this 2 on the left hand side. So we have log of a plus b over 3 equals to 1/2 multiplied to log of a plus log of b. So this is what we are asked to prove. That means whenever a squared plus b squared equals to 7ab, we can show that log of a plus b over 3 equals to 1/2 multiplied to log of a plus log of b. So this is proved.